Record number of women to be in Jamaica's parliament.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
When Anne-Marie Vaz is sworn in as Member of Parliament for East Portland, following her win in the recent by-election, she will join the growing number of females in Jamaica's parliament. Vaz will bring to 12 the number of women in the House of Representatives. This will increase by 1 the previous record from the 2016 general election, when there were 11 women in the House. Prior to that, the number of women in the House after the 1993 and 1997 elections stood at 8. There were 7 women after the 2002 and 2007 elections, 6 after the 1980 and 5 after the 1976 election. In the current House, there are 8 women on the government side and 4 on the opposition benches. With the entry of Vaz into Gordon House, Jamaican women will make up 19% of the 63-member House. The 8 women representing the governing Jamaica Labour Party in the House are Shaheen Robinson, Juliet Cuthbert-Flynn, Juliet Holness, Flavel Williams, Olivia Babsy-Grange, Marissa Dalrymple-Philibert, Anne-Marie Vaz, and Marlene Malahou Fort. The 4 opposition People's National Party Member of Parliaments are Lisa Hanna, Dr. Angela Brown-Burke, Natalie Nita, and Denise Daly. Meanwhile, as it relates to the Senate, there are 5 women among the 21 senators. 3 of the 13 government senators are women. They are Kerencia Morrison, Dr. Sophia Langmore Jopinski, and Kamina Johnson-Smith. 2 of 8 opposition senators are women. They are Donna Scott Motley and Sophia Fraser-Binns.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.